Hi folks, good morning. Today I'm going to show how to filter even numbers from an array in JavaScript. How to filter even numbers from an array in JavaScript. Let's jump into the code. So here I'm taking one input array 1 to 10 numbers array. Okay. So within the array I need to find out even numbers. Within the array I need to find out even numbers. Okay. So I'm taking one arrow function. I'm taking one arrow function const variable name filtered filtered even numbers filtered even numbers. Okay, I'm taking one callback function. So this callback function takes one argument. Okay, numbers. After that after that I need to return a function. Simply return a new function. Okay, here I am using filter method. So you know already, filter method, it takes each element in array and apply the condition statement against it. So if the condition returns true, the element get pushed into the output array. If the condition returns false, the element does not get to the output array, right? So here after that I'm taking a callback function. Okay, I'm taking one callback function. This callback function satisfies the condition. Satisfy the number percent 2 equal to 0. Here I'm using strict mode comparison. This is the strict mode comparison. Okay. Okay. So here I need to console. This array. I'm checking this one. Filtered even numbers. Within this I pass a numbers array. Okay. I'm save it. I'm open terminal window. Okay. So now I'm see, I can get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 within the array. Within the array I can get even numbers. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 10. So within the same array I want odd numbers. Within the same array I want odd numbers. So here I'm writing same condition. Similar approach. Okay. I'm taking one const filtered filtered. Here I am taking filtered odd numbers. Okay, filtered odd numbers. I am taking one argument. Okay, this is the arrow function. So here I need to write return function, return numbers. I'm using filter method. You know already that filter method why we use. In that I'm using filter method. Okay, number percent of 2 not equal to number percent of 2 not equal to 0. Okay, so now I'm consoling. Filtered odd numbers. Okay, I'm passing same array. Okay, so now I'm running. See, I can get odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I can get odd numbers 1 3 5 7 9. Okay, so here I used a filter method. Okay, here I use filter method. I can simply filter even numbers and odd numbers within a array. I can simply filter even numbers, odd numbers within a array. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, guys.